What an amazing wonders the bees are with a beautiful color and it amazing buzzing sound. Welcome to Greenwild, where I always talk about the amazement and wonders of animals around the world. Bees hide a surprising secret. When the hive loses its queen, who alone is able to give life to the colony and maintain order in a perfectly organized society, all seems lost. The life of the hive slows down. Without new eggs, the future is lost. In a few weeks, the colony may be doomed. But the bees do not panic, nor do they expect salvation from outside. Demonstrating extraordinary collective intelligence and profound instincts, they trigger spectacular emergency procedures, almost unimaginable in a world dominated by insects. The transformation begins with a simple but essential choice. The worker bees choose common larvae, those who would normally be mere workers. They are nothing special. They are not born different. But their fate changes completely. They are chosen to receive a special food, royal jelly, a rare substance produced by healthy bees, rich in proteins, vitamins, and bioactive compounds. This is royal food in the purest sense of the word. The larvae fed exclusively with this substance no longer follow the normal path. Within a few days, their bodies develop differently. The ovaries become active. The body grows larger, stronger. Lifespan multiplied by almost 20. She will not work. She will command. She will not follow a routine. She will give life. The queen is not chosen based on her genes. She is created. What makes this process so fascinating is that worker bees and queens share the same genetic code. DNA does not determine destiny. It is nutrition, attention, the decisions of the hive. It is as if, in a humane society, you could take an ordinary child and, by giving them the necessary care, environment, and support, make them an extraordinary leader. Without genetic intervention, without fireworks, just with support and vision. A leader is born out of a crisis. This metamorphosis does not just save the larvae, it saves the entire colony. Once the new queen is ready, she takes over the hive, begins to lay eggs, restores order, and begins a new cycle of collective life. Threatened with extinction, the colony is reborn stronger, more organized, more balanced. A silent but profound lesson. The bee shows us without words that in times of great crisis, despair is not a gamble, but clarity. A plan, the right choice, attention and direction. In their world, a queen is not born. She is supported, federal, guided, and perhaps, as in the hive, in life, it is not what you start out with that matters, but what you receive, how you are treated, and the decisions others make in difficult times. Because sometimes it is in the most difficult times that the strongest leaders are born, not by chance, but by crisis, vision, and transformation.